Hi guys, today I want to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. In this video I will show you how to compose one from 6 walls of the cube. For first you have to mix it up. Then you have to pick one wall. Okay, I picked this white wall. So for first we have to make this cross. Every cube have to be compared with this color. So here will be white and orange, here white and blue, here white and red. Okay, now here we are. I've got here white and orange. So this cube will go here. So I right here, move it, and up. 1, 2, 3, and here I got this. But this cube is wrong. I have to move it from this place and write this square to put it back on the right place. And now everything is good. Here and here. I've got the half of cross. Next, the next one is here. So I move it here, go up, here, and up, and up. And back to the first position. Everything is good. And then the last one up. Now I've got cross. Now we have to put this white squares in this place. It says. Alright, so I've got this one white here. Up, up, and up. Now it moved here. Okay, I've got it here. It's white, green, and red. So this should be here because here we've got green and the red. So this was only 4 moves. And again, we've got here orange and the green one. We have to make this position under the right place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is correct. Next one is this box. We have to place it below this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one here. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, you've got it under. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now all the work. Now you know how to solve the first wall of the cube. In next episode I will show you how to compare the rest. Thanks for watching, goodbye!